Welcome to Amazing Products. Who else wants to practice yoga correctly and start seeing results faster, avoiding possible injuries? Well, practicing yoga is not just executing the poses. Yoga stimulates inner organs and every muscle of the body in combination with breathing, and when not performed correctly might cause unwanted injuries. When starting practicing yoga, a teacher is somehow necessary, one who knows how to guide you to get the most out of each pose, and avoid poses that might harm you because you already have an existing problem or you are not on the appropriate exercising level. But when performed correctly, yoga has been proved that builds fit body shape, helps lose excess weight, helps heal several body disorders, helps calm the mind and fight several psychological situations like depression and anxiety, so it is very important to be performed correctly. Yoga is an ancient Indian system that its purpose is to get the yogi in enlightenment. In our days it is expanding its audiences from all ages, as every day its benefits get known more and more to the people. Start practicing yoga today and start living a healthier life, and get your body fit and full of energy and health. Continue reading and discover how you too can start practicing yoga correctly and gain all the benefits yoga can give. With the 100 yoga videos you will be able to start doing yoga correctly from the first time you start practicing. Level up on harder poses. Acquire a fit shape and better physical condition. Tone your body and muscles. Practice in your own hours anywhere. Create your own training program and a lot more. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. For more info and special discounts please click the link below. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.